How to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, if you have deleted a specific message or the entire chat, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover those deleted messages. The first thing you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on your activity. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and tap on Download Your Information. Select the Instagram account. Now tap on Next. Now tap on Select Type of Information. Here you want to tap on Messages because this is the only thing you want to recover. However, if you want to recover something else as well, such as comments or contents, you can tap on those options as well. Now tap on Next. Then tap on Submit Request here. Now, it will take some time for the file to be ready, and once it is ready, they will send you an email and you can get your deleted messages from there. However, those messages are not going to get back into your Instagram app again. You can simply check out the deleted messages later on. Now, if you do not want to download your information and you want some other way to recover your deleted message, then one more thing you can do is simply ask the other person to whom you have sent those messages to send you a copy of those messages. So deleting the chat is only going to delete your copy of information, but it will still remain in the other person's Instagram apps. So you can simply ask them to give you a copy of those deleted messages. And these are two ways on how you can recover your deleted messages on Instagram. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.